If you're experiencing connection errors in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be affecting your connection. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary connection issues that may have occurred during your gaming session. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If your connection is slow or unstable, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Update your gaming system. Ensure that both Overwatch 2 and your gaming system PC or console are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for connection issues and performance improvements. Step 5. Adjust firewall and security settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Overwatch 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable your firewall to see if it resolves the connection errors. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix connection errors in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.